So when you actually go ahead and shoot an image, the image might be slanted and you may want to correct it. So in order to actually go ahead and then correct it, on the develop module, you can see that transform is an option. So if I were to actually go ahead and expand the transform, then you can see that there are some transform properties right here. For example, there's vertical transformation and so forth. So let's just go ahead and manually go ahead and click and drag this. For example, I can go ahead and change around the vertical transform, and you can see that I can straighten out the image right here by tilting it out vertically. Apart from that, I can also tilt it out horizontally, as you can see right here. Simply click and drag and they will be tilted horizontally. Similarly, I can rotate this out as well. So there's rotate option. So I can go ahead and rotate out the image according to how I want as well. And you can see that I get this grid line right here as a reference point. You can also go ahead and change around the aspect ratio right here to go ahead and squeeze and then expand this out according to how you want as well. And even go ahead and work around with scale. So you can go ahead and zoom in, zoom out right here to work around with the scale as well. You can then go ahead on to offset. So you can go ahead and push it to the left and right here, just like this. And you can also go for a Y offset right here, just like this as well. So this is what you have. So apart from this, you can see that I can transform everything. But over here on the edges, you can see that there's some white section. So you can constrain the crop so that what happens is that as you go ahead and then change it, the white areas are cropped. And if I were to go around onto vertical transformation now, just like this, I can go ahead and you can see that as I go ahead, it actually crops it out automatically as I finish moving this as well. So that is how you can go ahead and utilize manual correction in transform panel inside of Adobe Lightroom Classic. So I hope you guys learned something as always. And as always, please like, comment, share, and subscribe.